Hello and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm actually reviewing this huge basket. In the full disclosure, the seller provided me with this basket so I can test it out and share my overall thoughts with you. So I also want to tell you, and I also include some footage for you too, that this basket actually came folded. So when you unfold it, it's probably need to be around over 24 hours where you can stuff it with pillows or some kind of type of blankets inside so it can take its shape. And then right after it can sit for a while like that, you can use a steamer like I have right here, or you can use a hair dryer and spray it a little bit with the cold water around, and then just blow it a little bit with hair dryer to make sure that all of the creases out of this basket actually takes nice cute shape. And right here I'm with my steamer so I can just steam it around, make sure there's no more creases left on this basket, and it's also good just to keep it the shape. But I also love to do it with still blankets inside. While I'm steaming, I also want to mention that I really love the size of this basket. It's super huge and it could be perfect for like kids' toys. You can store some blankets right here or pillows or anything essential you want. I also love that it has two handles on both sides, and it has nice white, very neutral color, very spacious. It has a little bit of brown stitching right here on the bottom. And yeah, I have been super happy with this basket. So let me actually finish steaming and then I'll show you the end result. So yeah, I have steamed this basket already, as you can see. Actually, it keeps its shape. I absolutely love how big it is, how spacious it is, that you can also use it for a couple of blankets or maybe some toys and just store it. This actually fits around 75 liters. It's huge, and as you can see, I was able to take all of the creases out. So yeah, if you're planning to get this basket for store maybe some of the kids' toys, blankets, pillows, I highly recommend to check this one out. Thanks for watching.